Everybody, we are near to Pakistan Monument and I'm really having a good conversation right now with my driver. We're talking about our names. Kuya, what's your name again?
Ronnie.
Hey, the truth! What is the truth? Muhammad! Huwag mo ako nilang Ronnie! Hoy everybody, welcome to Pakistan Monument. Ang ganda, ano ba? Kita ba siya? There. So again, that's the city view, everybody. You know what? I feel so payat when my light is on. Feeling ko kasi naaano yung angle ko eh, oh.
Thank you.
Amazing.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You look like my brother's friend. Come here.
Here's my wife.
She. Okay, I'm sorry, there's two. Like who? Everybody, I'd like to welcome you to Pakistan Monument. So, nagbubuk ako ng Careem at the moment. Yung fresh ko ngayon, ang ganda ng ilaw dito. Ang ganda ko dyan. Sabi ko sa inyo, lapat lang yung hashtag, ang ganda ni K Toretto sa personal. Ganon. Yan, we're booking Careem, we're going to... Hindi siya kita. Kita ba? Hindi. O hayaan mo na. Basta nag-book tayo ng Careem and we're gonna go to Pakistan Monument. Ang fresh ko, mami. Alam mo yan. Gusto nyo ba makakita ng ano? Sir, how do you call this gun? What's the name of this gun? Sorry?
K-47.
You know, I only play this in Counter-Strike now. It's in person. O, yun ako nakita ng AK-47 sa buhay ko. Hey, good evening everybody. So, as part of my content for today, let me try to make a video like how safe it is to ride a Careem bike here. Because a lot of you are asking, is it safe for a woman to ride a bike in Pakistan? So, I hope today I'll be able to answer that question. So, for today's video, I'm gonna go to Pakistan Monument. So, come with me as I explore it. And as you can see, I'm riding a bike going to Pakistan Monument and I have friends there. Hello! Itutur ko kayo dun sa restaurant na yon. So, wag lang today kasi I'm gonna make a Pakistan Monument content for today. So, I hope it's beautiful there. I'm so excited to go. Nakakaloka. Sabi sa akin ng mga tao, don't put your camera outside. They might snatch it. Wag naman sana. Pa-upload nyo muna ako bago sana mangyari yan. So, ayun. Mag-video ako pag malapit na tayo doon. I just wanna show you like how will I go there. This is their metro station, guys, in the evening. Ang ganda, di ba? Shala. Hi everybody, so this is Santaros Mall. I think it's one of the biggest mall. Is that right, Kuya?
Yes.
It's one of the biggest mall?
It's the biggest mall.
Always, no? There's a lot of people here.
It's the biggest mall and the second one is Giga Mall.
Which one?
Giga Mall.
Giga Mall. Giga Mall. Parang pangalan ng Pokemon yun, Giga Mall. Diba? Giga Mall attack! Ganon, Kuya! Everybody, we are near to Pakistan Monument. And I'm really having a good conversation right now with my driver. We're talking about our names. Kuya, what's your name again?
Ronnie.
Hey, the truth! What is the truth? Muhammad! Huwag mo ako nilang Ronnie! Ronnie ka pa dyan. Sabi niya sa akin, it's been a long time since I was here. Sabi ko sa kanya, see, ako pa nagdala sa'yo. Laugh again! Just laugh! Where's the monument, Kuya?
Over there.
Wait nga, parang mali tayo ng...
No,
it's...
Okay.
I need to ride or I need to walk now?
We need to walk now. Alright.
Okay, sure. No issue. So, ayun, nakarating na ako. I'm going to the monument.
Oh, good.
So, ayun, nakarating na ako. Alam mo, kayo na pinanghihinaan na ako ng loob. And then, I saw a lot of people with park and everything. So, How much will I pay?
Just
Say hi to my vlog.
Just hold on.
Hi. Hold on, kanta yun. Hi! This is a camel. It's alive.
It's a little camel.
I thought it's a
200.
statue. Okay, I will give you additional. Hold.
All right.
Hold my
I
camera
hold- I
for
hold
me.
it.
Thank you. So we're paying right now.
Do you have support to? I will go with you.
No, it's okay.
No problem.
Me, I'm
No
See, invite ng driver ko. I cannot be seen. Okay. See, I have a very good driver. He's even offering to, assist me. 1, 2, 3. So we got lost. He doesn't want to charge me additional, but still, oh wait, I need to give 100 more. It's a tip. Kuya, you sure ha? I can go down ha? How much is this now? 100, 200. Okay, wait, I'll give you. I cannot find 100 here. Maybe here.
In your pocket, yeah. Where is
No. I'm looking for another 100. Ano ba? Ba't naubusan ako ng 100? How much is this? 50? How much now? 80?
And then
90? Oh, amazing. Sinisipon ako. Hindi mo ako binidyo. Ano, nagbibilang ako? Okay, go. Thank you.
take it. Take this.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much. So nice of you. All
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ronnie,
right. Nice to meet you.
the truth. The true name. Say it, the
My name
truth.
is Norman.
Bye-bye. This is always what happened. Like every time I'm gonna ride a Careem, it's always a good conversation with the drivers. So I don't really understand why a lot of people would discourage me to ride a Careem bike. I've never felt. Wait lang. Chika ako ng chika. Wait nga. Hanapin ko lang yung way ko. Wait. Yeah, you can go. You wanna be featured in my vlog? Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Hello. Thank you. So yeah, let's go. Assalamualaikum. Hello. May adrenaline ako ngayon mag-vlog. Energetic kasi we're in the house, inside the house the whole day, editing the videos and everything. So I really have the energy to do this today.
Hey, hello.
Hi! Huy, everybody, welcome to Pakistan Monument. Ang ganda! Ano ba? Kita ba siya? There. It's gonna be there.
Very good.
Alaikum assalam. Tawa sila ng tawa sa akin. Bala kayo dyan. Hoy, Pakistan Monument, everybody. Wait, I'm gonna take a good video. 1 second. I can see a store there. So when you go inside, there's a store here. So if you want to buy something, don't worry about it. But me, I always have my own water and some snacks sometimes. But today, no. I'm trying to avoid snacks. But parang si Rupa may nakamagsalita minsan. Ano nangyayari? Uy, ayan na siya. Oh my God. We were in the mountain earlier. Like the way going up here, it was so dangerous. Tapos wala pa siyang ilaw. So tinodo ko tong ilaw ko. Gumana siya, 'di ba? I provided the light for the way. There. Palapit na tayo ng palapit, everybody. Let's see. Sikat na sikat yung nihaw, no? Nihaw. Ito na siya, hala. I think I came the right time. There's not a lot of people right now. Sa internet ko lang po nakikita. I can only see this from the internet and now seeing this by my own eyes. It's amazing. It's mesmerizing. Uy, ang ganda. Wait nga. Maglalakad ako dyan. Wait lang. Hoy, ayan na. We are finally doing our first steps here in the Pakistan Monument. There's a lot of details around it. From afar, you cannot see the architectural something, but near architectural. Oh, it's beautiful. See you. 360. Ito siya. You know, I had to make sure that I'll be able to take a good picture here. I don't know what happened, but my pictures, like in Faisal Mosque, it's all blurry. Something happened to my camera in the settings. I fixed it today. Hopefully it's not gonna happen here. Take a quick video here and then let's do some research. I didn't know what's with Pakistan Monument, honestly. Just like before, I'm just going places without doing research. I do it when I'm here na. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick tour around before I make my videos for my TikTok. So, I think there's a city view here on the side, which is here. I knew it. What is this? There's also an elevator. Okay, it's huge actually. It's beautiful here. Hello, assalamualaikum, kaseho. Hoy, ang ganda. May city view din siya sa gilid. It's beautiful. There's a city view. You know, everyone is asking me to speak English in my vlogs. So, it's an extra work for me. So, but I'll do it for the sake of the people who's asking me to do it. Let's do it. Okay, let's do a quick tour around. Assalamualaikum. Also at the back, there's something here like stones with designs, architectural something. Let's take a quick video of it. Okay. You speak English?
Yeah.
Little. Okay. So what can you say about the Pakistan Monument?
It's very beautiful.
Okay, tell me about. Okay, I'm about to do a research about it. So just tell me like what's with the Pakistan Monument.
It's a historical a museum of
Okay.
Pakistan. Full of our Pakistan history.
Okay.
Yes.
Sure. That's it?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna open Google as well. I want to check it. What's your name, by the way?
Abid Aman.
Kay. My name is Kay. Abid Aman. Nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, you can take picture.
No, with me.
Yeah, with me. I thought it only happens in Faisal Mosque. It's happening here as well. So let's see. You know, ako pa sige, mas gusto ko to, kuha ko yung angulo ko. Let's do it. Can it be, okay, just do it. No, you're in portrait mode, that's why.
Thank you.
Amazing. Sure. No, you can take, it's okay. You can take. Can you be here? Sorry. Let's exchange. Alright, amazing. That's,
By the way, what's your channel name?
take a picture so you can see it. TikTok and YouTube and everything. Alright.
Thank you.
So again, that's the city view, everybody. You know what? I feel so payat when my light is on. Feeling ko kasi ano yung angle ko eh. I hope I always look like this. Assalamualaikum. Oh, everybody, I forgot to tell you, this content is also about interacting with local because I got a lot of messages like, what do they think about the gay people there? This is like, they don't care, I think. It's also up to you on how you represent yourself or how you present yourself. Everybody, I'd like to welcome you to Pakistan Monument. You know, ang ganda ng punta ko. I think the time ba yan? Why English? My English is not working at the moment, but I think I came at the right time. There's not really a lot of people around, so I can really make a good shots here. As you can see, I'm almost alone, so I can really make a good shot of the Pakistan Monument. And let me do my research here as well. The guy told me it's like part of the historic something of Pakistan. But just a quick, for myself. Okay, here. So the monument was constructed to symbolize the unity of the Pakistani people. It is dedicated to the people of Pakistan who sacrificed their today for a better tomorrow. I think for soldiers then, for those people who died for it. Basically, I think that's it. So yeah, welcome to Pakistan Monument. Kayo judger kayo sa akin ah. I'm from the Philippines, not ni hao ma. So let's make another shot. O, di ba? Ang hirap mag-vlog mag-isa. You know, ano ba? You know, I'm starting to realize the gravity of what I'm doing because a lot of people would like ask me, are you traveling alone? And then they would often say, wow, you're so brave, which I don't realize. But unti-unti, little by little, I'm starting to realize, yeah, I'm strong. I'm starting to, realize something that I'm doing, but other people realize that for me, and they are helping me to realize it. And a little by little as well, I'm starting to be proud of myself because, yeah, like I'm starting to imagine that traveling alone is such a place that not a lot of people wouldn't recommend you to go. I think it's amazing. It feels so great. So yeah, I love it. I'm starting to love it, and that's it. Hoy, ang taas pala nung nasa gilid ko. Upo ako ng upo dito basta-basta. Angat kaunti. Tingnan natin. Amazing. So I was able to do all my shots because there were not basta walang maraming tao. Yung pinag-English masyado, yung English ko nauubos din to. Hindi to unlimited. 8 na. Hanggang 7 PM lang yung English ko. But anyways, I was able to do all my shots. Not a lot of people around. So, that's it. And, nothing much to see. So, yeah, I think I'll just sit around here for a few minutes. Kasi sayang naman yung binyahe ko. So, I'll just sit around here. And then I'm gonna go home after maybe 30 minutes. Sit around, check something on my phone or Instagram or anything. What? What?
Have your channel in YouTube?
Yeah. Here, you can take a picture. Malaikum assalam. If there's a flash, guess. Try to guess. No.
Japan?
No. One more.
Korea.
Oh my. No, it's Philippines.
Korea.
Philippines.
Philippines?
Yes. But people would always assume I'm from China, Japan, and Korea. And Philippines is the
You
last.
look like China, Japan.
That's fine. China is our neighbor, so it's okay.
China, Korea, Japan people is most.
Yeah, same features. Yeah. I don't really mind, so it's okay. Hello.
More please.
Sure. Where's the camera?
ओए जल्दी करना.
With the baby? Is that your baby?
Yes.
Can I hold the baby, please? I really want it. Yay! Oh, yung cute! Oh my God! Hi! Hello, para kang laruan. Okay, let's take a picture now. Okay. Thank you. What's her name?
Aizen.
It's a girl, yeah? It's a boy, it's a girl. Sorry, I cannot say it. Gurias.
Baby.
Oh my God, it's so delicate. Wait. Oh my,
She is my first daughter.
really?
Yes.
Congratulations then.
Thanks so much. She is my wife.
She. Okay, I'm sorry, there's two. Like who? Nice meeting you. Hello.
आज उतर
Hi. Hello. Nice meeting you, Isa. Nice meeting you. Yeah. Sorry, I like kids.
Yes, cute.
Nice meeting you, Isa. How? It's a year, 9 months old then.
So
She looks like 7 to 9.
6.
6 months old. Oh my God, this is so delicate. Oh my God. I cannot make another one for you. So please take her.
Sure.
Oh my God. I sell, yes? Alright.
Bye bye.
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 Bye-bye.
Thank you very much.
Very much welcome.
One picture.
Sure.
No, it's my turn.
Now it's your turn. Now it's your turn, sure. Come here, don't be shy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright. One thing, you look like my brother's friend. Come here. Good.
Thank you.
Alright.
Let's see one video on TikTok channel.
Sorry?
One video.
Oh, sure. What do you want to say on your TikTok? Wait 1 sec. What I do?
My-
What I will do? Okay.
Many.
Is it a picture or video?
Yes. Picture.
Okay. You're welcome. So we are heading home. There's a museum pala there. Oh. There's a museum there, but I think it's only open certain time. Of course it's closed. It's kind of late now. It's 8. So we are done. That's the entrance over there. And once you get out of the gate, this is gonna be the scene. Hoy, my English is working a little. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So yeah, if you go outside, it's a little lively. There's a lot of stores around where you can buy things. Foods, cotton candies. There is also a small park here. So yeah, I think it's a good place to visit. So don't miss this when you come to Pakistan. Hey everybody, I think it's not going to be hard to find a ride now because some locals here offer me a ride at least somewhere near where I can book my Careem. So thanks to them. Hey everybody, I'm home. I'm back from Pakistan Monument. It was amazing. The place was amazing. Again, I recommend that you visit that place whenever you go visit Pakistan. That's gonna be all for tonight. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you have a good night. Goodbye. Here we go again everybody. Nagsasasama na naman tayo. So he's telling me that this door is his grandfather like museum something. So everybody, if you did not see me again, you can find me there. Yung ginagawa ko sa buhay ko. Okay, what's your first guess? Japanese? Second is what? Chinese. Okay, you have last one. Game ka na ba to? Game ka na ba? Okay, you have 5 seconds to answer. 5, 4, sorry?
5 seconds.
Okay, yeah, you have 3 seconds left to...
UK.
Oh my God, UK. No, I'm not. I'm from the Philippines.
Philippines. General doctor, then medicine and service.
Can you heal my heart? Can you fix a broken heart? Ah!